hell at my door. Man, I swear that better be the plumber, man. Oh, plumber, right?
Yeah, I own this plumbing company.
Man, about time. We got a little situation over here, man. Come on.
All right. So, what's this little situation?
Bro, you have burritos at Filiberto's? Yeah, we gonna have to come on, bro. Man, I got the bubble guts, bro. Been rumbling all day, man. Just,
All right.
man. Yeah, that burrito was pretty fire, though. It was big, got a lot of beans. Let me handle that real quick for you, though. But yeah, you see the situation right here is you see the damage, man. Sure, I tried to use a plunger, but I feel like say just went right through me.
You did that?
Hey, man, beans, man. I don't know.
I'll see what I could do. All right, let's see what we got here.
Oh yeah, let me get that out your way real quick. Oh, my bad, bro. Hold on, let me give you a top. Got you. There you go.
I think I see the situation.
Hello? Oh, how you doing? Hey, babe. Yeah, the plumber here. I don't know, man. He kind of slow. It's gonna be done. Just a burrito. We gonna get it cleared up. It's alright. I ain't tripping. I ain't just pushing you. It's alright. I ain't tripping.
Fucking nasty ass.
Yeah, I don't know where you found it. Bro. You see that? Bro.
What?
Bro, that Filiberto's, bro.
That's fucking quick.